the State of Play, that's what it's called, State of Play, the PlayStation State of Play stream, or did you watch the videos from when they released it? And what did you think of the God of War? Let's start with the God of War. What do you guys think of the God of War? Is it Laufey or Laufey? Laufey? I don't know, stupid names. What do you think of the direction that they're going with that? I can see it being interesting, but I can also see why a lot of people might find it not God of War-ish, if you know what I mean. The major talking point online right now is it really a God of War game if it hasn't got Kratos, you know? And will it stand up to the name of God of War? Because from what I could see and what I've seen people talking about, they're not too happy with the lack of gore and sort of, yeah, basically the lack of gore. There's a lot of, I think there's blood, but there's not a lot of gore. And that could just be because they, you know, in the 23-minute trailer, how is that a trailer? In the 23-minute trailer, they're only fighting, or she's only fighting, the character is only fighting sort of mythical creatures. So I guess the gore may be coming later. But from what I could see, there wasn't much gore either. I did like the gameplay. I think it lives up to the God of War standard, but it also adds a new sort of more energetic experience because the character is a little bit more athletic and smaller and in build, so her attacks are a bit more are a bit faster, which I find quite interesting. And I do like the bad guys that were introduced. I think those are quite cool. Master Splinter says, "I'm a heathen and haven't seen them." Oh. Fair enough. Yeah, I think I only stumbled across those videos like by accident. Well, not accident. I was just sort of scrolling through YouTube, and then I started to see the God of War Laufey, the face all plastered everywhere. I was like, oh, is there a new God of War game? And lo and behold, there was. So, yeah.